How to disable or turn off two-factor authentication on Discord. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open Discord application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your Discord account. So once you're logged into your account, simply tap on U icon at the bottom right corner. Inside here, simply tap on the settings icon. Now inside settings, under account settings, tap on account, and inside your account scroll below, then you'll find an option that says a remove authenticator app. Tap onto it and just like so tap on OK. Now in order to continue the process, you want to go ahead and open the authenticator app and simply enter the Discord code. And once you enter the code, you'll then be able to disable two-factor authentication on Discord. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.